Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix TikTok notifications not showing on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your settings app and then scroll down and look for notifications. Click on notifications and scroll down once again and look for TikTok. Then once you see TikTok, simply click on it and then make sure to turn on the allow notifications option. And then here, you should also either choose one of these three or choose two of these three, or also you may choose all of these three. Also, you may set the banner style, the sound, the badges, and etc. You may also do this by proceeding to the bottom of the page or the bottom of the settings and look for TikTok. And then simply click on TikTok, click on notifications, and the same page will appear. So, if this doesn't work, what you're going to do is to proceed to the App Store and update your TikTok app. And then, if one or two of these steps still doesn't work, what you're going to do is to simply contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok notifications not showing on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.